The same mistake wey Raymond make when he dey build him house, now you sef wan make. Watch this video, make I give you tips wey be say e go help you for that house wey you wan build. No be to get money to build house be the thing o. Na make that your money reach am and make money remain for other things. And maybe say the money wey you pay for na the right quality of work you pay for. You see, building wey you dey see, no be to just go and start build o. Many things dey wey you need to know. Please watch this video to the end. May you hear tips wey I go give you as a professional. Welcome to Build Smart Africa, where we give ogbonge tips on how you go take build your house, wey be say you go dey inside, your belle go dey sweet you. For this channel, I dey give you tips, hacks on how you go take dey know material estimate. Where they go want people who wan run you street, where you need 100 bags, they tell you say you need 200 bags. How you go take know? This my channel. I'm a trained professional. This my channel. I go teach you how you go take dey save your money, so that they don't go carry your money go do another thing. Because most of these people, when you give them money for your own project, they say go buy land. As you bring one block, if they tell you say they need money for five blocks, they go carry one go put for their own, they build. Before money where you suppose build one building, you go build for another person. With my channel, I go give you tips. I go give you number of blocks you need, number of cement you need for that your decking, for that your concrete, for that your plastering, for all your work, for your POP works, for every kind of works where you need. Now, I no be just professional where they do just building works. I do civil, heavy engineering works. Yes, I do heavy engineering works based on my background. If you go check my YouTube, you go see my background where I speak from. Yes, this channel is going to equip you with a whole lot of information. Watch this video to the end. Click the subscription button. That subscribe where they click and press notification button, so that anytime we upload video, it go dey guide you. If you call other people, you get person will be say they build, but be say no be construction being on field. I go dey give you tips. So be say, and in the end, you go come know wetin I know. 5 mistakes will be say many people they make. Either you be contractor, either you be real estate developer, either you be individual developer, or you be a corporate organization. These mistakes, most people they make am. Number one, before you start your project, you need to do proper project planning. Anything where you no plan, you no get direction. Most time, some people will just stand up. I won't build 3 bedroom and I get this money. You just start, enter, you start, make with the buyer small. Now, as with the buyer, we go know whether it will reach. No, anything where you know define, know they actually go well. Number one, have proper project planning. You need an architect to help you do your design. First of all, he gets a brief from you. The brief where your architect go, where architect collect from you. Now in go take, bring the design where you need. From there, you go call structural engineer. We go help you check the load of that building, whether that building where architect design go stand. Before you, after structural engineer doing own, you go get somebody called quantity surveyor. We be say, he go check whether the money where you put for pocket, you go reach to do that building. Now, for this construction, we get plenty team. You get mechanical engineer where they do all the plumbing. You get electrical engineer where they do all the electrical work. Then plenty, yes. But I just cut these 3. Where be say it go help you to be able to know before you start working. Not be say you go just stand up, they work. And make we start. If we dey road, you go know. It means say before you start design, before you want to embark on a journey, you don't know what you want to do. This step is very, very important. Plan your project, no matter how small. Plan it. Now, so some people no take plan their project. Project where they plan say, okay, we go use so amount of money, 100 million for instance. They still say they don't spend 150 million, house never finish. No, this story, I know go forget the story of one retiree years ago. All the money where they pay this pale carry the whole money. Sit down saying don't see big money. Then they pay pale 3.5 million. Pale can't draw one big foundation for ground. They start. My brothers and sisters, when building won't come up for ground, pale money don't finish. It don't only do substructure. Wetin be substructure? Substructure means foundation. And block foundation, it just come up for ground. And now they call foundation work. They just do foundation block work. It is actually called substructure. Now, only substructure Pale don't do, in money don't finish. If they sit down to plan in work, where it no go reach that spot. So a lot of persons, before they start running, they don't already reach where they go before they realize, say they won't start planning. So, number one, before you start that construction project, sit down, plan with all the construction team so that your project go sulele. Number two, adequate budgeting. This one won't resemble one, but now budgeting. Budgeting means say, as they don't finish all your design, carry and give a cost expert, carry and give a quantity surveyor. We go sit down, scale out all the quantities inside that drawing, because now him get the training to bring out all these things. Not just carry any quack, not just carry anybody. We go just start say from foundation to this, you need so number of block. As they tell you like that, they no consider waste. As they tell you like that, they go at the end where you go see say you don't spend plenty money where you not supposed to spend. Yes. So when you get the rightful professional, we go stand. Now a QS go give you the proper budget from this stage to this stage. Building is shared into 3 stages: substructure, superstructure, then roof. That is the 3 stages. So when he give you these 3, substructure, superstructure, roof, then finishing. Yes. When he give you all these stages, you go know what you need to spend from foundation. What you go take finish your foundation. What you go take carry on from foundation, reach lintel level, finish everything. What you go take carry on. What you go cost you to do roof. Imagine you know your budget from each stage of the work. Then what you go cost you to do your finishing. And if there are fittings and fixtures waiting for that project, if you get all this kind of budget, tell me how you no go do your project well. So when you plan yourself well, stress no go dey. No story of this person, if they thief my money, if they do wetin no good. No, when you the QS will form a material schedule, a material and labor estimate for you. You go hold that one go become your Bible for your project. Now you go dey look, you go dey check, you go dey use and dey negotiate. All these things you need that for that your project. Number 3, where people they make, where be say if you don't know, you still go make and be say to use low or poor quality material. You go then tell you say this material, this block, and this block they sell them 500 naira, 500 Nigerian naira. You look at another place that they sell them 300 naira. You say, make I just mold my own quick, it go cheap. You say you dey help yourself. Let me use one phrase that they always use. They say cheap things are expensive in the long run. What you say cheap for you today, in the long run, you go cost say na expensive pass. So when you take your time, use quality material, at least build house where be say, you go there inside, they fear. When you use poor quality material to take build house, you dey endanger yourself, because in the end, you go lose the whole thing. Money where you try to save, you go can't use them. Even solve other things, that is if life no loss. So you can see that cheap things are actually expensive in the long run. So what they try to talk, we say use quality material for that your project where you want to. Another mistake where be say you won't go make, many people don't make up, that you not join them make and be say that house where you want build, government don't permit them. You don't get the necessary permits. This one are number 4 now. You want build, you just look here, you just run, go start build house. Before you know that you don't go far, they come cancel your house. You do, they come break house. You say, my village people, now then cause some. No, every location, every place gets building rules and regulation. If you follow the building rules and regulation, you no go get problem. That house where you want build, you know whether na waterway, that land where you want buy, if you go buy land with na waterway, if you go buy land, maybe say na there road day, or where they put a very important government facility, you go buy land there, you no get approval, all the necessary approval you no get, you just want build house. Make sure you check and know that all the necessary approvals you need for your building, you get them. And meet the necessary authorities. Your design, all where you do carry, go give them. They go check them. They go look. They'll say, okay, this specification, they correct, and everything they carry and give you, you go they build. If you get government backing with what they do, your mind no go shake. Point number 5, you don't do all these things. The person we're supposed be the person to actualize this thing for you now is called a builder. get a builder wey be say e know wetin im dey do. Now, after you don no be to get this builder, make you and this builder get adequate communication. Una dey understand una communication. Yes, because I don see many times being an arbitrator. Arbitrator na person wey be say e dey solve. Me, I don do arbitration well for contract. I don be umpire wey be say you go dey settle between contractor and builder. Always they quarrel. He said I should do this. No, this was not what you said. When you have somebody who is executing for you on site and both of una understand una self, whatever you dey tell and say you want, let him understand what you want. Because that poor communication can lead to loss of money. You dey tell am say make una do this, until say you dey talk like this, you go do something, you come dey vex, you say make them break am, who go pay? So when both of you understand each other, it dey lead to project make it fast. It go help you avoid waste. It dey help you your project you go execute your project and you have good value for your money. See these 5 steps, if you follow am well, any house wey you wan build, if you like make you wan build tower of Babel, go inside up, you go fit build am. Because so everything wey you see dey work efficiently, na proper management na im be the bedrock. So when you manage your project properly, you no go get all this back and front. So Boniface, I hope this video makes sense to you. If it makes sense, I bet like, I bet comment, I bet share, and don't forget to click the notification button after you don't subscribe, so that after they all give you updates, you go anytime I drop video, you go to see updates. I get plenty updates. You want cast decking, you want to know how many cement you need. You don't need to crack your head. I will give you shortcut where you go just press your phone from your phone. You know it's EB. Or they don't even tell you say they don't cast finish. They say they need something. How you go tell know the iron where they inside, but they don't cast them more. Where iron where they inside, I go tell you what you go just do. You go know what's in the inside. You want no sand where they use. They don't already do casting. You stand there. You go just calculate and you go see how many trip of sand. You want know how many bag of, you want know if anything where you want know. In building estimating, I be coach, I be guru, I be oga, I go teach you. Thank you.